A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: Lane, Oregon. At 4:43 p.m. on Thursday, July 17, 2014, effective until 6:30 p.m. This is a message from Eugene Springfield Fire. There is an emergency at the Swanson Group manufacturing facility at 1651 South F Street in Springfield. Residents within a 1-mile radius of 26th and M Street are advised to shelter in place. Go inside. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heaters, air conditioners and vents. If not using the fireplace, close fireplace dampers and vents, and cover cracks around doors and windows with tape or wet towels. News media outlets will continue to carry updated emergency information. Stay off the telephone, unless you need to report a life-threatening emergency. People who are having skin, throat or eye irritation, or having trouble breathing as a result of this incident may go inside and shut windows and doors to minimize any exposure. To get updated information, stay tuned to television or radio station. Lane County Emergency Management works closely with Eugene Springfield Fire and will get information to the public.